This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change VW Jetta spark plugs. First, gather your tools: a spark plug socket, extension, ratchet, and a torque wrench. Always ensure your engine is cool to the touch before starting. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Having the right tools and taking these initial safety steps will make the job much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's get to removing the old plugs. Start by carefully taking off the engine cover. Then, disconnect the electrical connectors from each ignition coil. After that, unbolt and gently pull each ignition coil straight up and out. With the coils removed, use your spark plug socket and extension to loosen each spark plug. Turn counterclockwise until they are free, then carefully lift them out. Inspecting the old plugs can reveal insights into your engine's health. With the old plugs out, it's time for the new ones. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new spark plug. This helps prevent them from seizing in the cylinder head. Carefully hand-thread each new plug into its cylinder. This is crucial to avoid cross-threading. Once hand-tight, use your torque wrench to tighten each plug to the manufacturer's specified setting, usually between 18 and 22 foot-pounds. Proper torque is essential for performance and safety. You're almost done. Reinstall the ignition coils, ensuring they click into place, and reconnect their electrical connectors. Then, put the engine cover back on. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of your battery. Start your Jetta and listen for smooth engine operation. If everything sounds good, you've successfully changed your spark plugs. For more helpful tips and great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.